Windows 10 format without CD, without USB, without driver, start to end. Very easy to format. You need to click a few steps only. Now I start. You click Start menu. You click Setting. You click Update and Security. You click Recovery. You click Get Started. You click Remove Everything. You need to wait computer loading. You click Local Reinstall. I don't want my video too loud, so I already cut so many. Computer loading die, remember you need to wait. You click Reset. Now computer loading, you need to wait. Please do not turn off the power. Computer loading finish, automatic restart. Please you just wait. Now computer is automatic restart. Now very important, please do not press any key. Let him go. Please do not press any key. Please wait. You click Go It. You just wait. Computer is automatic restart. Please do not press any key. Let him go. My video I don't want too loud, so I already cut. Please do not turn off the power. Now Windows is installed. You need to wait 0 to 100. You try your country. Click Yes. Keyboard for me, US. Click Yes. Second keyboard, I skip. Put password, connect your Wi-Fi. You know network, you click I do not have internet. Left hand side, conda there. Click Next. You wait, computer is working. Do not turn power off. You click Accept. You click Create Account and Next. Type your name and click Next. You need to type password 2 times and click Next. 3 times Security you need to do. You can follow me also. You don't want to follow me? Up to you. You can do your choice. You click accept. You click skip. Type your name and country. Email is optional. You don't want also can. You click next. You click next and wait computer working. Computer format and Windows 10 install is already successful. I want to let you know computer formatting time. Your computer is 16 GB. You need to wait nearly 1 hour. If your computer is 4 GB, nearly 2 hours you need to wait. I hope you enjoy. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.